Hi everyone, I wanted to show you a brand new bag style from KeriKit that is available for the Autumn-Winter 2020 collection, and that is the beautiful new Greta bag. This Greta bag is in the color mink, which is a limited edition color for the Autumn-Winter season. And just quickly taking you around the bag, on the bottom it features 4 feet to help protect the bottom of the bag from the ground or any other dirty surface it might come in contact with. The back features a full-length hidden magnetic closure pocket with the KeriKit jacquard lining. This is a great place to put your cell phone or even your masks for easy access. There are 2 double zippered side pockets, one here and one here. Also a double zippered front mommy pocket. And the features of the mommy pocket include, there are 4 card slots in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's also a small D-ring on the side you can choose to clip your keys on or even your poppy wallet. Here is a pen loop in the middle and also an elasticized pocket here. And it also has a lot of room in the front to carry other things you might need. And then closing that and going into the main compartment, which is also a double zipper. In the back here you have a zippered pouch or compartment, and on the side you have an insulated bottle pocket, and there's a lot of room in the main compartment to fit many things that you might need. Now the Greta also comes with this detachable strap. There is leather going down the middle, and on the back is webbing for comfort for carrying. It is adjustable, so you can adjust it to carry over the shoulder or crossbody, which is a great feature. Now, if you're a little confused and you've seen a different strap on the website advertising it, that is actually the beautiful new Gretchen strap, which you can buy separately. Make your kit your way with KeriKit. So, really quickly, I will show you how to pack this bag, how I would normally pack it for a quick trip out with a child in disposable diapers. Again, in the back compartment, I would usually put my phone in there, but that's what I'm using currently to film with. But we'll just pretend that I did put it in there, shall we? On the one side pocket, I usually keep my car keys. All I have to do is throw them in. Since I have sensor entry, I don't need to ever take them out. So they're in that one side pocket. In the other side pocket, I like to keep my masks separately. So my masks have their own pocket all to their own, either mine or mine and my kids, so they don't get mixed up with anything else in my bag and get more dirtier than they need to be. Okay, so that's those side pockets. In the mommy pocket here, I like to pack it up in this elasticized pocket here. I like to have my hand sanitizer, my chapstick, and hand cream, because it's starting to get cooler. Your hands start to get chapped, so that's what it looks like in that pocket there. I like to carry a pen in the bottom, but what I do like to carry in the pen loop is my reusable straw, so we'll slide that in there. Okay, just like that. And then also in there, I like to carry a small coin pouch for feminine needs, and also my poppy wallet, which fits perfectly. And that's what it all looks like in the mommy pocket, and there's still room to put more things if I need to do so. Zipper that up really quick. All right, so that's what it looks like. Now to go through the main compartment, this zippered compartment in the back, what I do like to do also is carry some medications back there. Since it's a zippered compartment in the main compartment, it's a little harder for the kids to get in there and grab things that they're not supposed to be grabbing. Alrighty. In the bottle pocket on the side, I have a 5-ounce Nook bottle, and I'll put that in that bottle pocket. And that's what that looks like. I also have my 12 little white pouch that I will put in the back, slightly behind that bottle there, like that. I also have KeriKit's new unpadded changing pad. That's what it looks like fitting in there. I have 2 disposable Poof brand diapers that I will slide in there. So far, 1 change of clothes, 1 wet bag, and also a pouch of disposable bags. All right, so that's what it all looks like inside the Greta, and there's still room on top to carry things or put other things that I might need. And then the zipper is closed without any issue, and that's what it looks like. So again, that is the brand new Greta from KeriKit. Check it out on KeriKit.com.